Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable for building a no-code CRM dashboard step by step clearly. Open Airtable and sign in to your account. Create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. Select Start from Scratch to begin with a blank canvas. Name your base No-Code CRM Dashboard. Once the base is created, click on Table 1 to rename it to Contacts. Add relevant fields by clicking on the header of each column. Change the first column to the name field type. Add a new column for email and set the field type to email. Create a phone number column and choose add another column for status and set it as its single select type. Enter list options like lead, customer, and inactive for the status field. Next, create a notes column for additional information with the long text field type. Now, populate your table by entering contact information in the rows below each header. To create a dashboard view, click on the Views button on the left sidebar. Select Grid View and name this view Dashboard. For better organization, create filtered views by clicking the filter icon. Set filters to show only active statuses if desired. Next, create a new table for interactions by clicking the plus button. Rename this table to Interactions. In the Interactions table, create columns for date, type, and notes. For the type column, set it to single select and add options like call, email, or meeting. Choose the Contacts table to establish this relationship. Now, whenever you log an interaction, you can connect it to the appropriate contact. To visualize your data, consider adding a Kanban view under the Interactions table. Set it to group by type to see how many interactions of each type you have. Next, create a summary block by navigating to the Apps section on the right sidebar. Select Add an app and choose the Chart option. Configure the chart to visualize the number of interactions per contact status. You can also use the Calendar app to keep track of interactions by date. Once you have all components set, review your setup and make adjustments as necessary. Your no-code CRM dashboard is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.